Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to convert decimal into fraction. So the decimal is 0.123 and we have to convert into fraction. So let's start with today's video solution. So 0.123 in the decimal form. So to convert into fraction form, I am taking the denominator as 1. Now, first I'm going to remove the decimal. So to remove the decimal, I'm going to multiply in numerator and denominator with the number of tens depending upon the digit after decimal. So there are 3 digits after decimal. So 10 times 10 times 10 in numerator and to balance it in denominator as well. So numerator becomes 123 and denominator becomes 1000. So the decimal 0.123 in terms of fraction is 123 by 1000. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.